In this tutorial, I'll be talking about continue in loops. Continue statement is very similar to break statement. The only difference between the two is that while break statement terminates the entire loop, continue only terminates the current loop. It moves the line of execution to the next loop. So continue does not terminate the entire loops, rather it terminates the current loop and moves the line of execution to the next loop. For example, if we have a for loop which is meant to run 4 times. Assuming this is a block of code. At the point if $i equals to 2 and you want to continue here, the difference is that, let us do it graphically. This is your starting point, which is 0, and this is increment. In the first iteration, you have this, $i is 1, and this condition is false. The second iteration, this is 2. For the third iteration, $i is starting from 2. And at this point, when $i equals to 2, this statement will be executed, continue. The meaning is that this loop should be skipped, but you move to the next loop, which is 3. When $i equals to 3, you have another loop. So instead of having 4 loops, you'll be having 3 loops, because one of the loops will be skipped when $i equals to 2. This is the difference between continue and break. Break terminates the entire loop, while continue only terminates the current loop and moves the line of execution to the next loop. Let us see the differences in actual coding and check the result in the browser. For this statement, if you use continue instead of break, let us check our results. So we have command S. So let's check the result here. So we have hello world when $i is 0, hello world when $i is 1, but when $i equals to 2, hello world statement is missing because of the continue statement here. Anything below here will not be executed when this condition is true. And the condition was actually true when $i equals to 2. But instead of going out of the loop entirely, for continue statement, it will only go to the next iteration, that is when $i equals to 3. And this will be skipped because this condition will be false, and this will be printed on the screen. And that is why we are having hello world $3, hello world $4. And finally, we have echo. This is the end of the loop, because originally the loop is meant to run 5 times. So this is the difference between continue and break.